Hello my friends, and good morning out there in the YouTube world. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing pretty good. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I was off last night, so I get to go out riding.
Goofy bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear. Windy canyons, wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
And figured I'd get out early because it's supposed to rain later. So today we are going to take a ride to a local business, a local motorcycle business, motorcycle gear business, a place called Freedom Riding Company. I do believe they opened in 2024. I'm not 100% sure. If the GPS would shut the fuck up, you might be able to hear me talk. But anyway, we are heading over there, and like I said, I believe they opened last year in 2024.
In 1.5 miles, turn left onto Pike Springs Road.
And I always like supporting local business, small business. So we're gonna go over there and check it out and see what's going on. We do follow each other on Instagram, and I did ask if I was able to record it in the building, in the business, and they said yes, I am. So I will be recording inside and giving you guys a look of, well, what it looks like. It's going to be first time for me going there too, so you'll see it when I see it. Well, technically I'll see it first, and then you'll see it after I edit this video. So we're gonna head on out, and we'll get back to you when I get there. All right guys, here we are. We're at Freedom Riding Company, local business here, and we're gonna go in, we're gonna check them out, see what's going on. So we got a nice little smaller shop. They carry all kind of stuff, leathers, riding jackets, boots, gloves, t-shirts, whatever you need, helmets. They got all kind of stuff. So like I said, they did open in 2024, which I thought, by everything I've seen on their socials. And I'll post their socials, and I'll post their website down below in the comments. But yeah, they got a bunch of nice stuff. They are the official bobhead distributor in this area. For USA. For USA. So they got the badass helmets. If you're looking for something along these lines. You know, got some pretty cool helmets, nice carbon fiber. But yeah, they got some decent stuff, you know, some good stuff. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna meet the owner and talk to him for a minute. Okay, this is the owner. What's your name?
Joe Scavito.
Okay, he's the owner of this place. He actually rides a nice Road King too, but we'll talk about that later. So tell us a little bit about it.
So we've opened a store in April last year. I've been riding for about 5.5 years, and really enjoy riding. We had a Harley Davidson down the street from us closed, and there was no place to buy motorcycle clothing or any kind of motorcycle gear, so we decided to open a store. And last April we opened, and we've been pretty successful. It's been great. We're located at 164 Little Conestoga Road in Chester Springs. And we've had great response from a lot of the people in the motorcycle world.
You want to give out your phone number in case anybody wants to get a hold of you?
Let me get it because I don't remember it.
Okay. All right.
Let me look at my sign.
All right. Well, I'll put it in. I'll put it in the screen later.
Yeah.
I'll get it from you, and I'll put it in the and underneath here later. It's all good. So, like I said, come check this place out. Shop local, man. It's the way to be. Support local business. And he actually has a pizzeria right down the walkway here.
Carmine's Pizza, 180 Little Conestoga Road. We had a little incident there on Friday, but it will be closed for a couple of about a week or two, but then we'll be back up and running.
So come check out Freedom Riding Company and pizza, man. You get pizza and motorcycle shit, man. Come on now. You can't get no better than that. All right, guys, I'll be back with you in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm back. I just left Freedom Riding Company. I was hanging out there for a little while, talking to them and getting a feel for them. And owner seems like a really, really good guy. Joe seems like a really friendly guy. Like he said, he just started riding 5 years ago, and you know, we're gonna maybe hook up, go riding. Maybe he might have a event or two at the place. I know he has breakfast and bikes and breakfast from time to time. So next time that's around, I'm going to go check that out. And he's talking about maybe having like a bike night or a bike day, whatever you want to call it. So like I said, I'll leave a link below. Go check him out. Follow him on Instagram, Freedom Riding Company. And yeah, it's a pretty cool place. I supported local business, bought a couple things. So alright guys, this is where I'm going to end this video. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.